If you tell me that sis is not a look, I'm gonna say you a hater. Period. What? What? Oh, yeah, cause she a look. What is goody, y'all? It's your girl Ifa K, and I'm back at it one more again, here with another wig slay. Thank you so much for tuning in, clicking on my little thumbnail, and seeing what I had to say, what I'm talking about, what wig I'm bringing you today. Before you leave, I hope that you will consider becoming a part of the Ifa K crew, boo. And you know how to do that. Just go down there and click the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on post notifications, though, sis, so you don't miss not one video that I drop. Your girl is doing a series, the 50 Shades of Spring series. And today I am collaborating with my sis, my YouTube sis, Khrissy. Right, yes. A lot of my homies out there, a lot of my wig baes are supportive and are loving and caring and checking on me, but Khrissy does it on another level. Khrissy is so down to earth, so legit. You gonna love her. Sis, if you're not subscribed to her channel yet, what you waiting on? What you waiting on, girl? I'm gonna leave Khrissy's information down in the description box below and in the little eye in the sky. So make sure you go check out her channel after watching this video. She gonna bring you some color too, sis. She bringing them colors of spring. And when I tell you bae could slay a wig, she also has videos that shows you how to do your lashes. So make sure y'all don't forget to check Miss Khrissy out at the end of this video. Now, let's talk about this unit we have today. Bam! Miss LIAN? I don't know, sis. I'm gonna say LIAN. I'm gonna say LIAN. That's what I'm gonna go with. Anyway, we have her in the color. Look at these colors, girl. That's what we got, y'all. We got her. She comes in all those beautiful colors I showed y'all on the back. That's them typed out for you right there. Yep. That's it. So I'm going to cut the lace off. And we are going to get into this unit, girl. She has 2 combs in the front. 1 comb in the back. Lace parting space. It looks pretty legit, but she looks a little, I don't know, like she might need to be plucked a little bit. We'll see though. Yeah. All right, y'all. And if you are interested in this unit that I have on, this is the infamous. I can't even say infamous because it's the famous. Forget infamous, baby. Yes, girl. Neesha 202. Boo. I will leave the link to that review up there in the sky as well. Now let's get into this review, boo. For those of you that don't know, I have a 22.5-inch head, and LIAN is fitting very snugly. Oh, look at how small she is, y'all. I'm loving her already. Sis, yo, I love it. I freaking love it. She just need a little bit of heat up there at the top to lay her down a bit, but girl, bye, girl. Look at this hairline, girl. I like it. I like that you could pluck it. You can make it look more natural if you like to make it look more natural. She is not fitting ear to ear though. This is one ear tab right here, and the other ear tab is way up here, girl. Let me see. Okay, Let me see if we could shift her to the side. Let's see. Okay. Okay. She works as a side part. Check out where the ear tab is now. It's way up there. This one is behind my ear. So that is on the right side. Not bad. Look at this color, y'all. Girl, shut up, girl. Girl, shut up, girl. Yes. LACE line. Just give y'all some of this right here. I'm 5'10", for those of you that don't know. And she's coming right there to my boobs. Let's see if we could turn her to the other side. She is tight though, y'all. Like, legit, this girl is tight. Ooh, 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 ooh. Obviously, y'all know she is a lace front. She can handle heat up to 400 degrees. Yes, LACE. What y'all think, right or left? What y'all like better? Or middle? Comment down below. Let me know. What do you guys think about her as a side part? Would you wear her as a side, as a middle? I think I like her better as a middle part. Ooh, y'all can't tell me nothing. What that color? Good bird, girl. Look at that. Girl, shit up. Okay. Now, as I said before, this part has plenty of playroom to pluck her if you like. Oh my gosh, this is just gorgeous. Yo, like, y'all, come on. All right, so I'm gonna put some powder on the part because I do not feel like plucking all of that this evening. I'm gonna put some powder on her, lay her down a little bit with a little bit of heat, and I'll be back. All right, baes. So after I brushed her out, this is how much shedding I got. But she is a light colored wig, you know, a colored wig, period. And, you know, I plucked her just a little bit. So I just plucked her right up in the front just to show you guys that, you know, you see how tight it is back here. You know, maybe you don't. Can you see it? But it's very, very tight. And I can see from like a distance, it gives it an illusion that it's an open part, but it's really not very open when you get up close on it. But y'all, I'm loving this unit. I still haven't put any powder in the part. I will do that now. She is not tangling on me like terribly. Of course, she is synthetic. We have to remember that. So after, you know, over time, she will tangle. That's just the name of the game. You know, it is what it is. I really feel like she, honestly, I don't know, you know, some of y'all wig critics and reviewers out there might say goodbye, good. But I swear, I feel like she don't need much powder in the part. I feel like it's beginner friendly. It's a plop and go. It is a baddie. If you got a big head, sis, beware. She is gonna be snug on you. I'm gonna just let you know. But I'm gonna give y'all a 360 because I just feel like she just don't need no whole lot of powder. I'm definitely going to pluck her though. More. I would prefer to just pluck her off my head though, because when I have on a unit and I pluck the part, I overpluck every time. It never fails. Gorgeous, girl. You can't tell me she is not a look. What? Yes. Hey, this is her to the side, sis. I'm 5'10". This is her to the back, baby. What? 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 What'd you say? Oh, what? Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. I love it, y'all. I love these roots. I love this bright yellow in the middle. And how would you... Girl, bye, girl. I cannot. I'm done. I'm done. I'm finna just play in her, girl. Me and Leanne, Lion, Leon, I don't care. You understand? She, oh, okay. Let me not get carried away here. But yeah, me and her, yep, we going on a date tonight, boo. All right, my beautiful babes, once again, this is Miss Leanne by Zury Sis BYD LACE Unit. Girl. Y'all, I just... Anyway, don't forget to go check your girl, Miss Khrissy, out. She is going to be slaying it in a unit that is just as bad as this one is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, if you haven't already, go check your girl out on the gram. Ifa_K_slays. Cause we slaying, hey, on the Wednesday. Oh, yeah, we slaying, hey, on the Wednesday. Hey, I went back on y'all with that one right there. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much again for checking me out. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. God bless y'all. I pray that he continues to cover you in the blood of Jesus. Keep y'all safe. Make sure y'all washing your hands. Much love, my babes. Oh, sorry. Oh, shoot. Sorry, y'all. Okay.